Hello student, today we are on the last part of the chapter, that is simple interest. So before starting this chapter we should know few terms. So first term is your principal. Principal is actually the money which you are borrowing from someone, or you are giving to someone, or you are investing in the bank. So that money is known as your principal. On that amount, on that money you are getting the interest from the bank, or you are taking interest from someone. Now time is the period for which you are giving the money or you are investing the money in something. So this time is always taken in years. Now next, that is R. R is the rate of interest for which the interest is being paid. Now it can be 10%, 6%, any percentage. So R is the rate of interest per annum. Now we can calculate simple interest by the formula I equals to P into R into T upon 100, where P is principal, R is rate, and T is your time upon 100. This is how we can calculate the interest. Now amount which we will get after time certain T period, so that amount will be the amount which we have submitted, that is principal, and plus the interest which we have earned on submitting the money. So total amount after some time what we will get is principal plus interest. So now if they have asked given you interest and they are asking you the principal, so from here I can write principal equals to interest multiplied with 100 upon rate up into time. Or if they are asking the rate, then I can write rate equals to interest into 100 upon principal into time. Now we can take the questions. Our first question is, find the simple interest on rupees 20,000 for 4 years at rate of 8 whole number 1 by 2% per annum. Also find the amount in each case. Now here this is the amount which we are submitting. So this is basically your principal. So principal P equals to 20,000 rupees. Now time is your 4 years. So I can write T equals to 4 years. Now rate is 8.5%, or we can just write it into mixed improper fraction. So I can write 17 by 2%. Now we need to find out interest first. So interest can be calculated as P into R into T upon 100. So P is your 20,000, time is your 4, and R is 17 upon 2. Here this is your R, 17 upon 2 upon 100. Now 0 cancels out with this 0 and 2 cancels out with this 4. So I will get 200 into 2 into 17, and multiplying them all I will get interest as 6,800 rupees. So it means when we are submitting 20,000 rupees, this is the amount which we are getting as interest. Now total amount which we will get at the end will be your principal plus whatever the money we have submitted plus interest. So 20,000 plus 6,800 means total amount which we will receive at the end of 4 years will be 26,800. Okay. Now we move on to the next question. Here our next question is, find the time when simple interest on rupees 12,000 at 6 whole number 1 by 2% per annum is rupees 2,730. So here this is your principal given, here this is your rate given, and here this is your interest given. So here the principal is P equals to 12,000, rate is your 6 whole number 1 by 2, or 2 multiplied by 6 is 12, 12 plus 1 is 13, 13 by 2%, and interest is rupees 2,730. Now we need to calculate the time. So time we can take as interest into 100 upon principal into rate. So from here interest is your 2,730 into 100, and principal is 12,000, and rate is 13 by 2. So 13 is here and 2 we can write on the top. It is 13 by 2. So 13 is in the denominator and 2 goes in the numerator. Now see, this there are 3 zeros. I can cancel 3 zeros with it, and here 273 is, now this 2 can be cancelled out with this 12, so I will get 6. So here we will have 273 upon 6 into 13. Now solving this, 273 can be cancelled out with 13. I will get 26 upon 1. Now both of them can be divided by 3. So here you will get 7 by 2, or 7 by 2 can be written as your 3.5 years. Okay, so this is our required time. Now we move on to the next question. See, our next question is, find the rate of interest when simple interest on rupees 1625 in 2 years is 325. So here this is the principal given, this is the time given, and this is the interest given, and you need to find out the rate of interest, means R. So principal is given 1625, time is given 2 years, and interest which we are earning is 325 rupees. Now we need to calculate your rate. So the formula for rate is interest into 100 upon principal into time. So here we will substitute all the values. So 325 multiplied with 100 divided by 1625 into 2. Now if I multiply 325 with 5, I will get 1625. So here I am cancelling out, and here I am getting 5. So 100 upon 5 into 2. Now 5 into 2 is 10. So 100 divided by 10 is 10. So rate of interest per annum will be 10% per annum. So this is your required answer. Now we move on to our next question. So next question is, find the principal when simple interest at 7 whole number 1 by 2% per annum for 2 years is 2730. So here rate is given 7 whole number 1 upon 2, or writing it into improper fraction, I will get 15 upon 2%. Now time is given 2 years, and your interest is given 2730. Now we need to find out principal. So principal formula is interest into 100 upon rate into time. So I will substitute the values. Interest is 2730 into 100. Rate is your 15 by 2. So 15 is here and 2 goes on the top, and time is 2 years. Now what I can do, 2 cancels out, and I will get solving this, I will get 18,200. So this is our required principal. Now we move on to next question. Find the rate of interest when rupees 1200 amounts to 1320 in 2 years. So here this is the principal given, and this is the amount which we are receiving at the end. Now amount is sum of principal and interest, and the time is given 2 years. So here the principal is given 1200 rupees and amount is given 1320 rupees. Now I can find out the interest. So interest is equal to amount minus principal. So subtracting them, I will get interest as 120 rupees. Now we need to calculate your rate of interest. So I will take the formula of rate of interest, that is R equals to I into 100 upon P into T. So here I, we have 120, 100 multiplied with 100, principal is 1200 multiplied with 2. Now cancelling out, I will get your rate of interest as 5% per annum. Now we move on to next question. Find the time when 1250 amounts to 1950 at 16% per annum. So here amount is given 1950 and principal is given your 1250, and so your interest can be calculated at I equals to amount minus principal. Now subtracting them, I will get here 700. So 700 is your interest and rate is given 16%. Now we can calculate time T equals to I into 100 upon P into R. So interest is 700 multiplied with 100 and principal is 1250 multiplied with R. R is 16%. Now solving this, I will get 3.5 years. So this is our required answer.